260 million people use Canva every single month. It is the most widely used design platform on Earth. But here is what the data also shows. The overwhelming majority of those people are using Canva like it is 2019. They are dragging pre-made templates around, manually typing text, and adjusting colors by hand. They are doing work that Canva's AI suite can now handle in seconds. The AI features inside Canva have been used over 16 billion times by its global community. 16 billion. Most of the people watching this video have barely scratched the surface of what they can do. In this video, I am walking you through every major AI feature inside Canva, what each one does, when to use it, and what is brand new in 2026. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use Canva AI to cut your design time down to a fraction of what it currently takes. All of Canva's AI features live inside something called Magic Studio. You do not need to switch to a separate app, open a different website, or install anything. Everything is inside the Canva editor you are already using. Let me walk through the most important tools one by one. The first and most powerful is Magic Design. You type a short description of what you want, and Canva generates multiple complete, ready-to-edit design options in seconds. Not random templates, but actual designs built around your brief, with matching color palettes, typography, imagery, and layout. You pick the one closest to what you had in mind and refine from there. This works for social posts, presentations, posters, flyers, website pages, thumbnails, and more. It is the single fastest way to get from a blank screen to a finished design, and it is available on the free plan. The second feature is Magic Write, Canva's built-in AI text generator. It works directly inside every text box in your design, so you can generate and edit copy where it needs to go. Use it to generate captions, headlines, subject lines, talking points, product descriptions, and outlines. It has a brand voice feature where you upload examples and Magic Write matches your tone automatically. Magic Write is available on the free plan with limited prompts per month, while pro users get higher usage limits. The third feature is Magic Edit, where Canva starts to feel genuinely magical for photo editing. Select an area, write a prompt, like replace the background with a sunset, and Canva generates the edit in seconds. You can change objects, swap backgrounds, add new elements, or restyle the entire image. Magic Eraser lets you select any unwanted object, hit erase, and Canva fills the gaps seamlessly. This used to require Photoshop expertise, but now it takes 4 clicks. The fourth feature is Magic Grab, which turns any photo into a template-like element. You can move, resize, reposition, or layer the subject with text and graphics. Combined with Magic Expand, you can extend any image beyond its original edges with matching AI-generated content. You can take a photo that is almost right and make it exactly right without reshooting. The fifth feature is Magic Switch, which solves the headache of reformatting. Design something for Instagram, and Magic Switch automatically resizes and adapts it for other platforms. It adapts layout, repositions elements, and adjusts typography to fit new formats. It also handles translation, converting a design from English to French, Spanish, German, and more in one click. For anyone managing social media across multiple platforms or creating multilingual content, this is one of the highest leverage features in the entire suite. If you are finding this useful and want to stay ahead of every major AI tool as it evolves, subscribe now. We cover one every few days, and the next few videos in this series cover tools that are going to genuinely surprise you. The sixth feature is Video 2.0 and Magic Animate. Canva rebuilt its video tools in 2026, and the result is a full video production suite inside the browser. You can create videos from templates, generate video from text prompts, animate any design element with one click, and add transitions, music, and motion graphics without any external software. Magic Animate adds motion to static designs in a single click, and Canva analyzes your layout and applies animation effects that suit the design style. For social media content, short ads, and simple video posts, this eliminates the need for a separate video editor entirely. The seventh feature is Magic Layers, and this is the most significant thing Canva has launched in 2026. It landed in public beta on March 11th, 2026, and it solves a problem that has frustrated anyone who works with AI-generated content. Here is the problem. When you generate an image using any AI tool, you get a flat file like a JPG or PNG. If you want to change the text on that image, move an element, or swap the background, you basically have to start over and regenerate. Magic Layers fixes this completely by converting any flat image into a fully editable multi-layer design inside Canva. Text is restored as live. Editable text boxes and objects become individual elements you can move and resize. Backgrounds are cleanly separated, so what was a locked flat image becomes a working design file you can edit in full. Canva co-founder Cameron Adams described it simply: AI outputs are a dead end. You'd get a finished image you couldn't edit or make your own. Magic Layers changes that. It is currently in public beta in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, with global rollout to follow. It is a premium AI feature and counts toward your monthly AI usage allowance. The 8th feature worth covering is Canva Code, which is genuinely new territory for a design tool. Canva Code lets you build functional interactive web tools directly inside Canva, like calculators, quizzes, forms, interactive infographics, games, and custom web elements using natural language prompts. You describe what you want to build, Canva generates the working code, and the result is embedded directly inside your design. Canva Code reached 3 million users within 90 days of launch, which tells you how much demand there was for this kind of capability from a non-developer audience. Now, let me be clear about pricing, since that affects what you can actually access. The free plan is genuinely useful with Magic Design. Limited Magic Write prompts, basic background removal, and access to over 100 languages in Magic Switch, all available for free. You do not need a credit card to start. The Pro plan costs $15 per month or $120 per year billed annually. It unlocks higher usage limits across all Magic Studio features, 100 million premium stock assets, Brand Kit, 100 gigabytes of cloud storage, and 500 monthly AI credits for premium tools including Magic Layers. The business plan is $20 per user per month billed annually and adds collaborative features, multiple brand kits, approval workflows, and 500 AI credits per user for teams. For most individual creators and small businesses, Pro is the right call. For teams managing brand consistency across multiple people, Business is where the real value is. Here is the honest verdict. Canva AI is not trying to be the best image generator in the world, as Midjourney and Flux beat it there. It is not trying to be the best video generator, where Kling and Runway are ahead on that. What Canva is doing, and doing extremely well, is being the best all-in-one creative platform for non-designers and semi-professionals who need to produce high-quality visual content consistently without spending hours on each piece. The integration of everything in one editor: design copy, images, video animation, code translation, resizing is the real differentiator. You do not context switch, you do not copy and paste between tools. You open Canva, and you go from idea to finished published content in a fraction of the time it used to take. 90% of Fortune 500 companies use Canva. 60 million students and teachers use it for education. $3.5 billion in revenue in 2025. This is not a niche tool, it is the operating system for visual communication, and the AI suite inside it is what makes it genuinely indispensable in 2026. If this video was useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.